Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today we're making a super easy and healthy peanut butter banana muffin recipe. It's gonna be so delicious, super moist. Let's get started. This is great for if you need an easy breakfast, school snack, something healthy, quick. You can give it to your kids or you can eat it, and it's enough said, right? Just make it. Ingredients are in the description box. First thing you need is 3 bananas. You want these to be ripe because when they're riper, they're sweeter. So you want those brown bananas. This is the best time to get rid of your old bananas. I love making banana bread when our bananas are old. You might even say that I let bananas go bad sometimes just because I want to make banana bread with them. Then you can use a fork or this masher thingy to mash up your bananas. Add 2 eggs, half a tablespoon of dairy-free milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup of natural peanut butter. I'm using peanut butter that is just peanuts and salt. That way you know that there's no added sugars or oils or anything else, because we're trying to make some healthy muffins. And it's fine if you use the other peanut butter, but just know that it will affect it. And 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup, or you can use honey. And then we're just gonna use a whisk to mix together all the wet ingredients. This smells so good, and we're not even done. I forgot to mention, this is actually also dairy-free and gluten-free. So the next thing you're gonna do is add your dry ingredients, which is 1 cup of oat flour or a gluten-free flour. I'm using oat flour, which is basically just oats that are ground up, so you can make it at home. This is a great recipe to start off the year, just make you feel fantastic. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just gonna whisk all this in. And I'm actually gonna switch to my spatula to make it easier to mix in. And we're gonna finish this by adding some chocolate chips, which I would say are optional, but I can't think of who wouldn't love chocolate chips. Then line a muffin pan with baking cups or grease it so that they don't stick. Then we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And ta-da! The banana muffins are done. They smell amazing. Let's try. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? So chocolatey, gooey. These are literally so amazing. I can't believe these are just sweetened with maple syrup. These are healthier muffins, but you're gonna feel really happy eating them. I mean, the banana flavor is so good, and the melty chocolate chips, and there's peanut butter flavor, but it's not like too strong. I mean, peanut butter, banana, and chocolate, you know, it's amazing. Thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and click the subscribe button. I'm gonna post some more healthy recipes this month, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye!